So guys, we're moving. We're leaving the port from Texas. We're heading on a 7-night cruise, Western Caribbean. We're actually leaving, we're moving, and we're heading for some fun. So as you can see here, if you look over here, you can see we're passing the little island here and heading out to the ocean over here. I was showing you guys earlier the ferry boat over there that's going over to Galveston Island. So now we're crossing over here, we're trying to get outside, and then we're going to head out to sea. But we're leaving, we're moving, we're finally on our vacation. It is the first day, day one, coming off the sea to the Western Caribbean. I showed you the dolphins. I still see a few dolphins here and there. The sunset is really nice. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful evening here in Texas. But let the journey begin. I usually honestly go upstairs, so when we're departing, but it's crowded upstairs and I want you guys to actually see the view and see everything. This is almost the same thing as being in the front of the boat, or the ship I should say. But we are heading out. Someone's trying to call me, so ignore that in the background. But yes, we're heading out to sea, day one. We're sailing for 2 days, and then we're going to go to Roatan, Honduras on the 3rd day. So we have lots of fun ahead. The balloon drop at midnight. I want you guys to see, so I'll have to drink some coffee to stay awake because it's been a long day. But I really want to see the balloon drop at midnight. So we're going to get the party going on here on this cruise, guys. So guys, right now one of those big cargo ship is coming side to side with us. Look how beautiful that is. These are those big freight ships that you see bringing in maybe some goods or whatever. Could be even electronics. Who knows, but it's coming into Galveston Port. The weather is absolutely gorgeous, guys. This is Texas. We're in November. The first week of November, and it's still warm. It's not hot or humid, it's just beautiful. I see another boat coming up here. Not sure if it's a fishing boat or what it is. We could check it out. Could be a fishing boat, but that big orange one for sure has to be one of those freight ships. It looks like a catamaran that's coming in there, maybe a party boat or something that's coming in back to Galveston. Oh yeah, definitely a party boat. I can hear the people on there, and I can hear the music. Wait, let's look closer. Might be a fishing boat where you take people out, where they charter the boat and go out fishing, deep sea fishing. That's what it looks like. So here in Galveston, guys, if you want and you like fishing, you can go on a day tour out in the waters to fish, half a day or all day, and that's definitely one of the fishing boats out here that's coming back. Captain John is coming back. I hope they got some fishes on there. Yep, it's a fishing boat that takes people out. There's a big orange ship. It looks old, but I think it's still working and operating. Way out there in the ocean, I don't know if Darren can zoom in, but there's that rig, that oil, with a can for oil all the way out there. You gotta zoom in really far out. So that's where they drill for oil. All the way out there. Yeah, right, that's it. That's where you can drill for oil. So that's up and running as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue drinking my champagne and then get ready to head down. Actually, we're gonna go to the casino because we gotta sign up first for one of the slot machine tournament that they have. And after that, it's dinner. Then the big game, tonight's a big game. They're going to show it in the big screen. It's the Bengals playing the Who is it, Darren? The Buffalo Bills. Go Bengals. We'll see who wins, but that's what we're going to watch tonight. The big screen, I'll show you what that is, and after that is a balloon drop. So I'll keep you guys posted. Cheers. At this invite only kind of little cocktail snack because of the casino, actually. So Darren got invited to play in a slot tournament. The jackpot is at 62,500. So he just registered. We have a little snack. I have my little shrimp cocktail here, some little snack, and some kind of champagne with peach. I never had this, but it's actually pretty good. But we're here, private only event, having fun. We're still on day one, heading out to our cruise. We're here in Harmony of the Sea, our day one cruise to the Western Caribbean, and it's our dinner time. So this is our starter. I have my crab cake. Darren's got some tomato soup, and here we have escargot. So this is actually snails in some nice garlic butter. If you haven't tried this, you need to try this. Absolutely delicious. A must try. Let's try it. Super buttery and super delicious. My crab cake. Put into my crab cake here. Crab cake. Really nice and delicious. I have my wine, some nice red wine to go with it. I ordered some sudden fried chicken tonight. I was feeling to eat some fried chicken since I was all the way down in Texas. I think Darren got some Indian food, some lamb curry. So waiting on that. So this is just day one on Royal Caribbean. The crowd is busy. It's a really busy crowd tonight here in the dining room, as you can see. Everybody's having fun. First night out on the cruise. So I'll catch you guys here after my dinner is here. So we're here having a great time, enjoying our first night on a cruise. See you guys in a second here with my dinner. Dinner is here, guys. So I have some sudden fried chicken with some mashed potato, corn, some kind of honey sauce to go for my chicken. Darren got some of the Indian chicken and saag and rice and his naan over there. This is our dinner on the first day of the cruise. This is still day one. Our dessert is here. Darren got a key lime pie for his dessert. Yum yum. I'm gonna steal that little lemon there, just a heads up, the lime. I got a cheese platter here with different cheese, some grapes, and some fig jam with some bread. And this is our dessert. We're trying to hurry up because there's a big football game going on outside. So I'll catch you guys outside after dessert. We're at the back of the ship after dinner because Darren wants to watch the big football game. It's showing up in the big screen here in the back. I have my cheese that I ran away with from my dinner to watch the game over here back here. Big screen TV, and we're watching the Bengals versus the Buffalo Bills right here in the back of the ship. And of course, I got my wine with me. Woo! Go Bengals! You would see there's a stage on the back of the ship here. This is actually the amphitheater of the ship. They have like live jump-ins with the swimmers that opens up, and there's a pool back there, and they will do some performance where they dive from a very high platform onto the waters and perform a great show. I'll try to catch the show for you guys and let you see it. But it's really a great show, awesome show. But for now, we're going to enjoy the Bengals versus Buffalo Bills. Guys, we're waiting on the balloon drop right now at Royal Caribbean. The first night, these are the balloons up here. We have white, yellow, and blue. And we're waiting on these balloons to drop. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
one. Yeah, one. Day one.